Clean open floor plan offers 4-bedroom 2-bath 1,920 square feet. Fourth bedroom easily can function as an office, den, or hobby room. Plenty of windows and natural light pouring in. The kitchen has a large amount of counter space and a walk-in pantry. Large living room, new floors throughout with recessed lighting. The master suite has a walk-in closet. Designated laundry room. RV parking. 2 driveways, one with attached 2-car garage and the other with a carport. Large, fenced backyard, with garden beds, country setting, utility room and Jacksonville Elementary School District. Easy to show.